In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Jira, whether it's a Scrum or Kanban board. This process might seem a bit daunting if you're unfamiliar with the platform, but rest assured it's straightforward once you know where to look. Let's walk through it step by step so you can confidently manage your projects. First, it's important to note that this guide specifically applies to company managed projects within Jira. So make sure you're in the correct type of project. Now, before diving in, I recommend taking a moment to review any important information on the board you might want to save or back up, as deleting a board will permanently remove certain aspects related to its configuration, like filters and views, though it won't affect the underlying data such as issues themselves. With that context in mind, let's begin by navigating to the specific project associated with the board you'd like to delete. Once you're in the project, you'll need to identify and select the board you want to remove. Now, projects can have multiple boards, especially if you're working on various streams of work simultaneously, so ensure you pick the correct one. This might be a Scrum board known for its sprint-focused approach, or a Kanban board popular for visualizing workflows. Either way, the process is the same. Next, you'll notice a set of 3 horizontal dots next to your board's name. This is a common symbol in many applications indicating additional options, and in Jira it's no different. Give this a click, you'll be presented with a list of actions you can take on your board from this menu. Here you'll want to look for and select the option that says Delete Board. This action will initiate the process of removing the board from your project. Once you've clicked Delete Board, you're not quite done yet. Jira will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is a crucial step as it ensures that deletions are intentional and prevents accidental loss of your board. The confirmation message might remind you of the permanence of this action or ask if you're really sure. If you've double checked your decision and are confident in moving forward, click on delete to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the unwanted board from your Jira project. Remember, managing boards is all about keeping your project spaces organized and relevant to the team's current needs. Deleting outdated or unnecessary boards can help maintain focus and streamline navigation for your team members. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and guides on optimizing your workflow in Jira.